my friends. We are on day 6 of our challenge, Silent Night Mobility. Mobility is so important, and it can go out the window really fast if we sit too much and become stressed. So that's why we're working on it. We're going to start on the floor with a cat-cow, and that does a bunch of different things, including waking up the vagus nerve. I've talked a lot about that this month, and it's very important. Cat-cow is an easy way to get that big trunk nerve that runs down through your body awake and doing its job in keeping you de-stressed. So let's get into Let's get into today's workout. You won't need any special equipment for today. It's going to be very simple, no timers. You will need to be near a wall because we're going to do wall angels in the middle of it, but that's all. So let's get going. Starting on the ground with our cat-cow. You can also do this on your bed, same effect. We're going to push up through our palms to a nice stretch. Then we're going to drop into an arch, nice and slow. Might hear some creaking and crunching. One more. Now coming to a standing position, we're going to work on our hips. We're going to do hip hinge or good morning or whatever you want to call it. It's a very simple movement like this. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can take some kind of stick. If you have a long candy cane, you can do that too. And put it behind your shoulders like this. Essentially, this works to keep your back flat while you're doing the good mornings. Or hip hinges, whatever you want to call it. Keep your knees soft, your ankles soft. Nice and slow. Two more. And last one. And bring the stick down if you're using a stick. Next up, we're going to work on twisting our thoracic area. Make fists with your hands. We're going to rotate, and as we rotate, we're going to rotate our foot and reach into a punch or a reach, whatever you want to do. To start out, I like to do a reach because this is a stretch. last one. Shake that out. Next one is a cross body movement. So we're going to go opposite hand, opposite foot. And you're going to get your leg up as high as you can. If this is it, that's okay. If you can get it higher, do it higher. These are known as soldier kicks, Frankensteins. In the gym world, they go by a variety of different names. Great mobility exercise. One more each side. And shake it out. Moving on down our body, we're going to work on our ankles now. If you want to position yourself near a wall, because there's a little bit of balance involved with this. So we're going to start kind of knees and ankles. I'm going to do 5 turns in one direction. Shift it up, 5 in the other direction. Now we're going to come up. This is where the balance part comes in. We're going to do up on the toes, up on the heels. This is a good one to do barefoot also. Really good for the ankles, the calves, the front of your shin, all those places we don't pay a lot of attention to. Okay, last movement. We do need the wall. We're going to come up onto the wall. I want your back absolutely flat against the wall. So position your feet wherever you need to make that happen. Then we're going to bring our arms against the wall or as close to against the wall as we can. And go up and down. This is great for posture. While pushing through your center, keeping your back flat against the wall. You're going to feel this in your shoulders, probably your upper back, maybe your neck, depending on how bad your posture is right now. I've been doing a lot of computer work, so I'm feeling it. And there you have your silent night mobility. Great workout today. I know that you're going to feel that in certain places that you haven't been moving, and that's good as long as you have just a little stiffness and not pain. Remember, pain is not a good thing. If you feel it, stop, message me. I'll give you something different to do to affect the same muscle systems. Be sure to do all the things in your email. Cool stuff in there today. And I will see you tomorrow.